Good morning and very warm welcome to my dear student. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson 5.2 of class 4, and the name of the lesson is Our District on a Map. So related to this lesson, I have written here some of the word meaning which makes you more clear about this lesson. So the word meaning are district means Jilla, map means Naksha, idea means Vichar, educational means Saichik, tour means Brahman, and transportation means Yatayat. So these are the word meaning. I hope you will copy this in your copy. So this lesson 5.2 of class 4 is related on the conversation. So this lesson, our district on a map is related on the conversation between the mother and a son. You chapter अथवा यो lesson आमा र छोराको बीचको वार्तालाप अथवा conversation मा related छ. So this lesson is related on the conversation between the mother and a son, which I am going to explain you. I hope you will listen to me very seriously. So tomorrow, Dawa, Norbu and his friend are going from the school to visit Sunsari district. So tomorrow, Dawa, Norbu and his friend are going from the school to visit Sunsari district. भोलि नोर्बु दावा नोर्बु आफ्ना साथीहरुसँग मिलेर स्कुलबाट सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्टमा भ्रमणको लागि जाँदैछ. Tomorrow दावा नोर्बु and his friend are going to Sunsari district from the school. Dawa does not know much about this district, and Dawa does not know anything about the Sunsari district. Dawa like Sunsari district को बारेमा केही पनि थाहा छैन. He didn't know anything about the Sunsari district. Tomorrow, for the first time, he was going to the Sunsari district, but he was unknown about that district. He did not know anything about that district. So he wanted to know about Sunsari district from his mother. त्यसैले आफ्नो आमाबाट Sunsari district को बारेमा केही कुराहरू जान्न चाहन्छ. He wanted to know something. He wanted to know something about the Sunsari district from her mother. So the conversation, Dawa, good morning mother. Mother, good morning my son. Why did you get up so early today? दावाले आफ्नो आमालाई भन्छ गुड मर्निङ मदर, गुड मर्निङ माय सन. आज तिमी यति बिहान किन उठेको? Why are you get up so early today? आज यति बिहान किन उठेको? दावा, you know mother, we are going out for an educational tour to Sunsari tomorrow. आमा, हजुरलाई थाहा छ भोलि हामी शैक्षिक भ्रमणको लागि सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्टमा जाँदैछौँ नि. You know mother, we are going to Sunsari district for an educational tour. But I don't know anything about it. Tomorrow we are going to Sunsari district for an educational tour, but I don't know anything about the Sunsari district. I don't know about that district. मलाई त्यो डिस्ट्रिक्टको बारेमा केही पनि कुरा थाहा छैन. Nothing I know. Could you give me some ideas about this place? के हजुरले मलाई त्यो ठाउँको बारेमा केही विचारहरू दिनुहुन्छ? हजुरले त्यो ठाउँको बारेमा मलाई केही कुराहरू भन्नुहुन्छ? Could you tell me? Would you tell me? Would you give me some ideas? Would you give me some information about that district? Mother, okay my son, it is far from our district. हुन्छ मेरो छोरा, सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्टबाट एकदमै टाढा छ. हाम्रो डिस्ट्रिक्टबाट सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एकदमै टाढा छ. So Sunsari district is very far from our district. Dawa, can we go there by bus? के हामी बसको थ्रुबाट सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जान सक्छौं त? Can we go there by bus? Can we go there by bus? के हामी त्यस ठाउँमा बसको थ्रुबाट हामी जान सक्छौं? Mother, yes, of course. East-West highway passes through this district. Yes, we can go there with the through the bus. We can go there by bus because East and West highway passes through this district. East and West highway Sunsari district ma पर्ने गर्छ. So from the East and West highway we can go Sunsari district by bus. It is in a Tarai region of Nepal and Sunsari district lies in a Tarai region. So Sunsari district lies in a Tarai region. Sunsari district Tarai region ma पर्ने गर्छ, and there is a good facilities of transportation, and in Sunsari district there is a good facilities of transportation. यातायातको राम्रो सुविधा Sunsari district मा छ. You should take a district map of the Sunsari with you. तिमीले Sunsari district को map आफूसँग लिएर जाऊ. You should take the map of Sunsari with you. You can see the major areas there in the map. तिमीले त्यो म्यापमा सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्टको मुख्य ठाउँहरू अथवा मुख्य क्षेत्रको बारेमा तिमीले सजिलैसँग with the help of map you can see. म्यापको थ्रुबाट तिमीले सजिलैसँग त्यहाँ भएका महत्त्वपूर्ण ठाउँहरूका अथवा क्षेत्रको बारेमा तिमीले सजिलैसँग हेर्न सक्छौ. You can get the major areas or the major places of the Sunsari district in a map. So you should take the map of Sunsari district with you while you are going to the educational tour. So Dawa, do you have a clear map of Sunsari district? के हजुरसँग Sunsari district को map छ त? Do you have a map of Sunsari district? Mother, yes. Go and bring one from my table. Yes, मसँग छ. जाऊ, टेबलमा राखेको छ, टेबलबाट लिएर आऊ. I will show you some important places there. गएर टेबलबाट त्यो म्याप लिएर आऊ. म तिमीलाई त्यहाँ भएका केही महत्त्वपूर्ण ठाउँहरू म तिमीलाई म्यापमा देखाउँछु. Go and bring the map of Sunsari district which I put in a table. I will show you the important places of the Sunsari district in a map. Many important places in the Sunsari district are shown in the map. त्यसपछि म्याप ल्याइन्छ र आमाले त्यहाँ भएका महत्त्वपूर्ण ठाउँहरू म्यापको थ्रुबाट दावालाई देखाउँछ. He shows some important places of Sunsari district to Dawa. Thank God we have chosen the best place for the educational tour. हामीले शैक्षिक भ्रमणको लागि एकदमै राम्रो ठाउँ खोजेका छौं. हामी शैक्षिक भ्रमणको लागि राम्रो ठाउँमा जान लागेछौं. Thank God. There are some important places in Sunsari. We will see Budasubba, Kositapu and Baraha Kshetra. We will cross the Saptakosi river on the way of Sunsari. Hey, thank God we had choose the best place for the educational tours. In Sunsari district there are many important places. In Sunsari district, we will see the Budasubba, Kositapu and the Baraha Kshetra. हामी सुनसरीमा गएर हामी बुढासुब्बा, कोसिटापु र बराहा क्षेत्रमा हामी हेर्ने छौं. हामी सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्टको सुनसरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जाँदा हामीले सबैभन्दा नेपालको सबैभन्दा ठूलो नदी सप्तकोशी नदी पनि हामीले तर्ने छौं. We will cross the biggest river of Nepal, Saptakoshi, on the way of the Sunsari. Thank you, my mother. So, mother, welcome. So this conversation is finished. I hope you understood about this lesson, our district on a map. I hope you understood about this conversation or this lesson. Okay, so for homework, I have given you two homework related to this lesson, lesson 5.2 of class 4, our district on a map. So first come to the question number 1. Make a list of the famous place in a Sunsari district. Sunsari district का चारवटा मुख्य ठाउँहरूको नाम लेख्नु छ. You have to write the 4 name of famous place of Sunsari district in question number 1. And in the question number 2, draw a map of your district. तिम्रो जिल्लाको चित्र बनाऊ, map बनाऊ, नक्सा बनाऊ. You have to make a map of your district in this question. So this is the homework. Related to this lesson 5.2 of class 4, our district on a map. I hope you will do this exercise. I hope you will do this homework at your home very seriously. Thank you for your valuable time.